What's up everybody, Brian with SoCo Customs here with another kit spotlight for you. We're going to make these a thing for a little while, see how much you like them. What we've got for you today is a 2015 Jeep Wrangler Sport that we sent up on the 2.5-inch kit. This is a two-door. Those two doors are so dope. Great approach angles and departure angles. So this rough country 2-inch kit comes with springs and shocks all the way around. Pretty simple kit to put together, nothing too crazy like control arms or anything like that. Comes in two nice boxes. It lifts this Jeep up nice and tall, gets it to clear the 285/55 R20s that we put on there. These are of course the Kenda Klevers. Click the card in the top right of the screen to learn more about these tires. And of course, these wheels are the Black Rhino Reapers. We sent these over to Powder Concepts to get them to powder coat, do that custom design you see with the mint green and the black. We also did the hitch and the fuel door. Those are a 20 by 9.5. Gets you a nice little stance. A lot of your Jeep folks do go with a 17, but we decided to go with the 20s here just to show off these wheels. Alright guys, Brian with SoCo Customs. Thumbs up, subscribe, share this with all your friends, show them about this kit. I'm going to start writing Relax Billy on those.